This is just simply saying, in regards to how I run a process in the sales call, not do I bring my script with me or do I throw the script in the bin and just have a natural conversation. What am I doing on the sales call? There is one thing that you must do on the sales call. Do you know what it is? The basics. The basic fundamentals. You need to know the problem. You need to know the impact of the problem. You need to know the person's beliefs and their mental models and their mind viruses and pre-handle all of that. You do not need to do some advanced NLP or some reframing or some complicated analogy or memorized word track or some upside down handstand that now the prospect thinks, oh my God, this person's really cool and I've had this great rapport, or anything advanced. You do not need to do anything advanced. But what I find all the time with salespeople, and I saw this with Gym Launch, I see this with sales teams that were doing multiple millions of dollars a month, but they ended up being able to do a lot more than that. And salespeople that come to me and want training, before this gets handled, they have replaced the basics for all of these advanced tactics. And the advanced tactics can sometimes work as a cherry on top of the cake, but they will not work at the level that they should if you're missing the basics. You must stick to the basics. And I know that sounds so obvious, but you, as a salesperson, if you are honest with yourself, you are not sticking to the basics on every call. You are missing clarifying the problem. You're missing having an authentic conversation. You're missing being fully present. You're missing probing on different words or phrases that the prospect says. You're missing some of these basics. And so the rule is consistently apply the basic fundamentals. Don't worry about advanced tactics. I'll say it again. Consistently apply the basic fundamentals. Don't worry about advanced tactics. If you replace your basics for advanced tactics. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.